Hey there, and welcome to the digital marketing course by Harvey. We all know there's a lot of potential with digital to understand customers, target them, drive conversions, increase traffic, and grow business. But for a lot of businesses, it's all a bit overwhelming. We might have dabbled with various tools, maybe kind of scratched the surface, been a bit overwhelmed, and not really gone any further. In the course, we'll work through your situation with your tools and your data to analyse where there are drop-offs in your funnel, ways you can improve your traffic, ways that you can improve your content targeting, so that you have an action plan that you can implement straight away. Hey, I'm Simon, and I've had the opportunity of working in a range of leading companies with amazing cultures that have been using technology to drive their business for many years now. I started as a developer when I was 19, and over the years I've started several startups, worked with ASX 200 companies, and worked in a global technology company. Doing digital well is all about looking at the data that matters and making the changes to your campaigns that matter without wasting lots of time. It's designed for people who are interested in digital, know its potential, but don't want to become experts and can't invest a lot of time. We will quickly go through the key tools that you need to understand and the specific functionality that you need to work on, exactly the metrics to look at, how to compare different campaigns, compare different content and different audiences, so you can very quickly make decisions about what's working, what's not, and where to improve. So if you're in a startup, a small business, starting something new, or in a medium-sized team but only have limited marketing capability, this course is for you. If you're interested, check out the course overview and get in touch. Speak to you soon.